What's up guys, in this video we're going to cover 9 things that you can take from this 10-figure Shopify store and apply to your Shopify store to increase your conversion rate, your AOV and the profit margin of your business. And all these things that you will see throughout this video can be applied to almost any kind of Shopify store. So if you run a Shopify store, this video is going to be highly useful for you. So the first thing that I wanted to cover here is that you can see just below the add to cart how more and more brands are having these kind of see it in action videos here. And when you click on it, you can see how this product is being used, how it works on other women, and therefore it increases the perceived value. And the best thing apart from seeing how this product works is that you can just like with a single add to cart click, add this product to the cart and it's added to the cart. So it's just like a smooth way to increase the perceived value, bring the social proof and make your customers buy more from you. Then the next thing is that I rarely see even high revenue Shopify stores do is creating great offers. And what I mean by that is that on the top left you can see they have this feature which says buy 3 get the 4th for free. And when you click there you can go to the collection where you can just like if you buy 3 of these products you get 4th for free. And this is super good thing because this is a great way to increase how much your customers buy from you, your AOV. And I rarely see other brands do this, and this works especially well if you pair this thing with the urgency. For example, this offer is going to expire on this Sunday or in next few hours or days or whatever. Like in this example it says while the supplies last, so it brings some kind of urgency in there. And this is one super important thing that I see a lot of stores don't do. This will really help you with increasing the AOV because they feel like they will get something for free, they will buy more and therefore increase your profit margin. So super important thing to try all these kind of offers, and you can just announce them with the email campaigns and remind them when the sale is about to expire. So very important thing. Then the next thing I wanted to cover is how they're increasing their AOV. Once again, you can see they have this per bit option. It's usually a product that's relatable to the one that they're looking at in this product page, and I would have just added to the cart because it's just going to be way easier for their customer just to add this product to the cart. But when you click on see full details, you will be redirected to this product page so you can take a look and see how it works and all these things. And if you like it, you can just add it to the cart and it pairs well with the first product. And for that reason, that way you increase once again your average order value and your profit. Then the next thing I wanted to cover on the product page is once again something I rarely see, and this is this review highlight. It's a great thing to have reviews on the bottom of your product page, which is just an usual thing, but it's even better if you point out few important reviews as a review highlights, just like they did. You can see you can switch between these reviews and see something above default about the reviews, and that way you will get to show your social proof even earlier in their journey, and therefore you will get to increase your conversion rate. If you can, it's really good practice to have an image of the customer and the full name of that customer because that will bring even more credibility. But still, if you have a review highlight above default, that can really help with increasing the conversion rate. And the next thing, which is pretty specific that I wanted to cover, is that you can see just below the add to cart, they have this account holders unlock free standard shipping on all US orders. So you need to create the account to get the free shipping, which is really strong incentive to make your visitors create accounts. The good thing about this is that to create an account, it's fairly easy and straightforward. You just need to import your email address and therefore you create your account. With this thing, they're getting emails so that if these visitors don't buy but they have entered their email, they have created the account, they can easily target them with some emails designed specifically for prospects who haven't placed the order and therefore get them into their ecosystem and they finally buy from them. So every time you have a free shipping, your conversion rate is going to increase. So this is kind of advanced way to implement the free shipping, and you can definitely give it a try. Then just below the add to cart, you can see they have the Klarna, and even for these very cheap products like this one, which is only $25, they have a Klarna to pay in 4 installments for $6.25. And this really helps with reducing the friction because it's just less painful for you to buy and product in 4 installments than if you need to pay it all at once. And you can see just when you add this product to the cart, it's also below the checkout. Once again, this label which suggests that they can buy in installments. This technique is called CTA Anchoring, and with it you can just like reduce the friction of your customers when they're buying from you and therefore increase your conversion rate. Then also what's very interesting about their Shopify store is that when you add a product to the cart, you can see it shows that after a few seconds it slides back like this And this is interesting because that way they're incentivizing their visitors to just keep on exploring more products. I wouldn't recommend all of you guys to try this thing because it's an advanced thing. There's probably a lot of things that you could try to improve before trying this thing, but this is something that's really uncommon to see, and I'm sure these guys have tested having the regular card drawer and this one that automatically slides back, and this one have performed better probably with increasing their AOV, which is one of the most important things when you're running your e-commerce store. Then the next thing I wanted to show you is that they have this free gift thing. If your order is above $65, you will get the free gift, and it looks like this. I will just add this to the cart, and you can just like select what is the gift that you want to add. It's some bag and stuff, which is really nice, and you can add this free gift, and if you give them your email, you will also get the free shipping. So you can imagine when you have the free gift and you have the free shipping, the conversion rate is just going through the roof. So this is very well done, and this is what separates 10-figure Shopify stores from all the rest, right? And as well, you can see in their card drawer, they're once again trying to promote their main promotion, which is buy 3 get 4 for free, which makes this store have very good offers, which is one of the most important things on your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. If you'd like us to help you with growing your e-commerce store with the conversion rate optimization, meta ads, and email marketing, check the link down below. And if you like this video and you'd like to see me reviewing another brand and what you can learn from them to apply to your Shopify store, click on the next video that I will have on this end screen.